Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Oppo is ready. Unlock the phone and open settings immediately. Once done, tap the search bar and type Game Space or Game Assistant so you don't dig through menus. You're doing this to locate the system service that controls game mode behavior. Make sure to note whether Game Space is a standalone app or nested under special features. That affects the next taps. Now, proceed to open Game Space to view active game optimizations and permissions. Once inside Game Space, look at the listed games or the global switches at the top. You want to disable each optimization. Toggle off Do Not Disturb, Performance Boost, and Floating Window Permissions so the system stops altering behavior. If an app is added to Game Space, remove it using the Edit or three-dot menu. This prevents automatic activation. You do this because removing the app or turning off those switches returns the device to normal power and notification. To finish, restart your Oppo to ensure all changes take effect and check an app to confirm game mode no longer engages. If you still see limited notifications or high performance mode, visit Notifications and Battery Settings to restore normal profiles. As a troubleshooting tip, clear Game Space app data or reset its defaults in App Info. This resets any stubborn rules. If problems persist after that, confirm system updates are installed because an outdated firmware can misapply game optimizations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.